G'day guys, I don't know if you can hear me above the rain. We are spending 3 nights down the Margaret River, and the last 2 weeks have been perfect blue sunshine. We have just arrived here, haven't even got the stuff out of the car yet, which you might just be able to see through the trees there. And as per normal, we get a whole bunch of rain coming in. Now we're staying at a place called Swallowtail Cottage. I may correct that if I've got it wrong. It's just a few kilometres northeast of Witchcliffe. And we'll give you a quick look around the cottage and let you know what it's like. I haven't seen it myself yet. I've had enough time to get through that rain and walk in the door with the camera, and that's it. So let's have a quick squeeze. Obviously an old farmhouse that's been done up. As you walk in the front door, or the back door it may be in this case, little laundry area, there's a dryer and a washing machine there. Off to the left hand side, got a bathroom, big long deep bath, the old style baths you used to get in these places. Next door to that is the dunny, and off to the side here is one of the bedrooms. Let's just get a light on in there. A single bed in that room, also a water heater in the corner, so maybe that was a part of a veranda or something at one stage. Moving further in, we get to the kitchen. Nice little country style kitchen here. Looks like it's well kitted out. There's a very retro looking fridge. Although being a smeg, I don't think it's going to be an oldie. It just looks like a retro. Electric cooker, toaster, kettle, microwave down here. The girls will be in shortly. I'm here with both Belle and Dorothy this time. Nice little old kitchen window to look out. And off to the side of the kitchen is a big bedroom. Quite a long bedroom. Nice comfy looking bed. Beautiful view out there to the paddock. Looks like the rain has decided to give us a break. I'll just finish having a look around the house. Lounge room, okay. Got a wood fire there, TV, video player. Very pleasant looking place. Looks very comfortable. We've got the other end of the bedroom we looked into just now, so you can see that from another angle. So one side of this is off the kitchen, the other side comes off the lounge. A bit of a strange design, but they were obviously trying to do away with hallways when they built these places. Yet another bedroom, another double bed, or queen size bed by the looks of it. Let's see, we've got a light here. Yeah, very nicely done up. Attractive little farmhouse here. Could have done with a bit of light in this room. I should have put that on earlier. This would be the front door. squids outside the front door. And little front porch area here. Some rocking chairs. Now I'm already imagining sitting there, having a beer, and looking at the paddock. Another little table out the front here, very well appointed. Lovely old place, old weatherboard house. Weatherboard and fibro by the looks of it. So I think we're going to enjoy settling down today and not doing anything else since the rainy weather has now come in. So that's the lounge area, plenty of seating, looks comfortable. Very attractive little farm cottagey atmosphere. Now, what have we missed? There's another room in here, stacked with books and looks like videos, is it? Yeah, videos. Don't see those much anymore. And that is another bedroom. So plenty of bedrooms. I believe it sleeps 7. Yes, 2 queens, these 2 singles and another single. So sleeps 7 people. I don't know why the girls haven't come in yet because looks like the rain has stopped. So time to unpack the car, which is going to make this look less tidy than it is now. But yeah, very impressed. Very, very nice first impression of this place. Very attractive, and looks like it's got all the gear you need. Okay, time to unpack. Well, as soon as we got unloaded, have a look at what the weather did. Of course, it loves to do those sorts of things to us. Looked like it had set in for the afternoon. I pulled all the stuff in while it was pretty unpleasant, and now the sun's out. Never mind. Well, here is Swallowtail Cottage. Obviously would have been the farmhouse on this property at one time. Lovely little area out here. This would be the back of the house technically, even though this is where you come in with the car. Barbecue over there. Nice little seating area. You can sit and have your brekkie or a barbecue in the evening. Even got a hammock over there, but with my weight there is no way on earth I'm going to try sitting in that. Water tank, and let's just have a wander around. Clothesline on the side here for anybody who's staying longer term. Of course there is a washing machine and dryer, so realistically everything you need for either a short term or a long term stay. And as you can hear in the trees here, substantial number of birdies calling this place home. So hopefully when the light is good and Dorothy's settled down, she will be using her bionic vision to take a few bird shots for us. Now I'll probably take some shots of this in the morning when the sun is in a more favourable position, but this is as it was when we arrived. Sun's pretty low in the sky now, even though it's only, oh, not even 3 o'clock in the afternoon yet, but just with winter coming on, the sun is setting faster and faster. And this is the little seating area at the front. Rocking chairs there. And again, a little table setting, and a pathway all the way around the house. Beautifully kept garden here. All these nice little manicured bushes, very attractive. And you're far enough away from Bustle Highway so that there is no traffic noise here at all. We're not really that far out of Witchcliffe, but this is the sort of place I would just about kill to live in, away from other people's noise. What a shame we have to live in the hellhole we live in. This is perfection. Taking a wander around the other side. Of course we're going to get some sunlight issues as I come down here. And it looks like the camera is running out of battery, so this is probably the last bit of filming I'm going to do today. I'll do a little bit more on the facilities that are available here once I've had a chance to charge the battery up.
This cottage was pretty much in ruins when a restoration project began in 1999. The property had been purchased by Tim and Patricia Negus in 1994, and the restoration of the old house was just one of the many projects they undertook on the farm. Originally, the idea was to run cattle on the property, but Tim was very interested in establishing a winery. Thus, Swallows Welcome Winery was born. Although they were officially retired, Tim and Patricia worked tirelessly on the farm. They built the Chapel of the Flowers that became a gallery for Patricia's artwork and a function centre for locals and visitors. Sadly, Tim passed away in 2017 and the winery stopped operating. Patricia continued living and working on the farm after Tim's death. Patricia is a renowned artist whose works are well known by just about anyone interested in the flora and fauna of WA. Along with Jane Scott and Ray Former, Patricia established Cape to Cape Publishing and produced many fine books featuring the flora and fauna of the Southwest Capes region. Sadly, Swallows Welcome Art Studio closed its doors for the last time in September 2020, and Patricia has since moved to Margaret River and retired. Patricia's daughter Sally now manages the property, and Swallows Cottage is available for visitors to stay and enjoy. The cottage is absolutely delightful, and as it is set in farmland, it is quiet and serene. The property can sleep up to 7 people, and possibly has the best facilities we've seen in any of the accommodation we have visited. Everything you will need is available, but you should remember this is a farmhouse on a farm, so there will be the odd spider lurking here or there, along with other many-legged inhabitants. The beds are wonderfully comfortable, although you do need to bring your own sheets, pillowcases and towels. You're also asked to please remove your rubbish and dispose of it in town. Yeah, I know this has been unusual, but it helps keep costs down and therefore makes your stay less expensive. Basic condiments are provided, such as salt, pepper, tea, sugar and coffee. There are also other facilities, such as a working VCR player and a huge collection of videos, something that you hardly ever see these days. There are books to read and games to play, a TV with local TV channels, and a nice wood fire for those long, cold winter nights. Hot water is plentiful, although the water supply does come from a tank, so please don't use it unnecessarily. The kitchen is very well equipped, and the retro-style fridge is perfect for the cottage atmosphere. At the back there's a table and bench setting with a barbecue, as well as a hammock for those long, lazy summer afternoons. If you read through the guest book, you'll see that many people come back time after time to enjoy this lovely little cottage and its peaceful surrounds. You'll also see some of Patricia's beautiful artwork adorning the walls of the cottage. If all that's not enough, just imagine sitting on the front porch, enjoying a coffee in the morning or a beer in the afternoon, and whiling time away rocking on one of the old rocking chairs. We absolutely adored Swallows Cottage, and we hope to be back there for a much longer stay next time.